it's Lindsay. Thanks for checking out my channel. Today we are going to be talking about how to style a bookshelf. I'm just going to give you a couple of my tips and tricks for how to create a cohesive, balanced bookshelf that's very appealing to the eye. So if you are new here, please subscribe. I'd love to have you. And if you learned some things, please like this video. All right, let's get going. Thanks, guys. I decided to switch around the bookcase and the chair, and then I think I'm gonna put a picture or a little wreath up there, but this is what we have when everything is all cleared off. So this shelf is from World Market. As you can kind of see, it is like a ladder shelf, so it's smaller at the top and gets wider at the bottom. First thing I did was, this bottom shelf has this pretty basket that I found at Target, and this we just use to keep Manolo and Polly's puppy toys in. And then next to that is this pretty brass duck that I actually found from Goodwill. And on the second shelf, I put a few books horizontally with that cute little plant that I got from Marshall's, this frame that I got from Target, and that print in there is actually from a thrift store. It was like an old newspaper clipping, and I really like the black and white color, and I just think it looks so great with that frame. This little glass guy, my mom actually made for me, got for me for my birthday or Christmas one year. This next one, we have a pink Himalayan salt lamp, which I just think is so pretty for at nighttime when you just want a little bit of ambiance. I have a crystal here, an S because my future last name is going to be Stein. This cool box that I got from Marshall's for $8. And this awesome glass jar, which I got from Goodwill actually. Moss air plant inside I got from when I was in Florida. And this silver dollar I picked up from the beach in Florida. So this next shelf, we have a cute little cactus plant, another vintage print. I have to get a frame for that guy. I think I might, what do you guys think? Should I get a matching frame? Is it like the same as this one that I received from Target? I think that would be cute. I love the colors. 3 books going horizontally. And this, I forget, what is the name of this stuff? Anyway, this I got from a shop in Florida also. And then up top here, my fiance is a big Bob Dylan fan, so he insists on having a little bit of Bob Dylan artwork. A cute little fake cactus that I got from, oh yeah, the dollar spot. Target, $3. Score. And these 2 wooden candlesticks that I picked up from Goodwill. And a black candle, since it helps tie in the black on this picture, the gray on this picture, and the black on this picture. And I also hung this wreath here because I feel like this area is really bare. This whole little corner is just a little tricky. But so far I think it's pretty cute. I'm running out of daylight, so tell me what you guys think. I think it turned out really nice. Let me know what your challenges are with styling a bookshelf and what you would do differently on mine. Alright guys, don't forget to subscribe, like this video if you learned a couple things, and I will see you soon. I'm going to try and post about once a week, so I look forward to hearing from you guys soon. Okay, bye.